unleashing your creative powers. Have you noticed that whenever humans are faced with a crisis, they always find a solution? There's never a lack of resources, only a lack of creativity. Today, we're going to talk about your mind and the creative process. The very first thing you can do to help yourself is to ask. It's that simple. Ask, and it will be given to you. Seek, and you will find. Knock, and the door will be open to you. For everyone who asks, receives, and he who seeks, finds, and to him who knocks, it will be opened. So here's how we can start. Think about a few problems that you are currently facing and ask some empowering questions about them. Instead of asking, why is it happening to me, or what did I do to deserve this, you should instead ask, how can I solve this? How can I make it better? When you ask an empowering question, you tap into your creativity and start looking for a solution. When you ask a disempowering question, your mind starts looking for answers to why you have this problem. That, however, doesn't help you. I want you to try this quick exercise in order to tap into your creativity. Now you have to think of as many uses as possible for a paperclip in 5 minutes. In our workshop, it was amazing to watch a group of 9 people generate over 80 uses for a paperclip in just 10 minutes. Once you're done with this exercise, I'm sure you will be shocked by how many ideas you were able to come up with in such a short period of time. Now that you've started to ask and think, you've set your mind to focus on attracting new ideas and opportunities. No idea is too crazy to be realistic. Now let me illustrate with the following example. Whoever thought that humans could fly? We don't have wings, yet we have the airplane. Whoever thought that humans could stay underwater for hours without coming to the surface for air? We lack gills, but we've managed to create the equipment needed for scuba diving and submarines. Whoever thought that we could combine a Walkman, camera, and mobile phone together? We did, and now we have smartphones which can be carried easily in the palm of your hand. All of these started off as crazy ideas. So get ready to be crazy about your dreams and turn them into reality.